Dear student, please watch complete video and then you take your workbook, match workbook, and then fill up the sums. Here in this video we see 3 worksheets in unit number 1, that is numbers. Before we see the sum, I want to tell you one easy trick for 7th table. Yes, all of you listen carefully. First you write the numbers this is 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Just you write, then 0 1 2, then again 2 3 4 4 5 6 7 0. 0 alarm 0 when we start 0 to 9, 0 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Then simply you put 0 1 2, again 2 3 4, again 4 5 6. Then we start the lesson. Table 1 7 are 7, 2 7 are 14, 3 7 are 21, 4 7 28, 5 7 35, 6 7 42, 7 7 49, 8 7 56, 9 7 63, 10 7s are 70. Yeah, just like that we do not memorize our table. This is one short trick. Now we go to the lesson part. Multiple choice question. Which of the following is not rational number? Answer is D. Rational numbers means P by Q, then Q not equal to 0. So that we write 9 by 0. That is the answer. From the given number line, A and B represent the following rational numbers respectively: 3, 8, 5, 8, 4, 8, 6, 8, 5, 8, 3, 8, 6, 8, 4, 8. Then if P by Q is rational number, then which one of the following is not true? Q equal to 0. Q not equal to 0 is correct. Here Q equal to 0. The standard form of 20 by 60 is, simply we divide by 10. Sorry, 20. 120s are 20, 320s are 60. Minus 1 by 3 is correct answer. Choose the correct number line in which represented by minus 1 by 2 and 3 by 2. C. Minus 1 by 2, get 3 by 2. Yes. The additive inverse of minus 11 by 17 is additive inverse, so that we take minus, then 11 by 17. Choose the correct one. Minus 2 by 7 less than 0, minus 2 by 7 equal to 0, minus 2 by 7 greater than or equal to 0, minus 2 by 7 greater than 0. A is correct. Minus 2 by 7 less than 0. Which rational number comes first? Minus 11 by 15, 13 by 15, minus 17 by 50, and then 19 by 50 are arranged the descending order. Comes first, so that we write 19 by 50. Find which rational numbers come middle if the following numbers are arranged in ascending order. minus 2 comma 5 3 comma 5 minus 4 comma 5 1 comma 5 2 by 5 minus 2 by 5 comma 3 by 5 comma minus 4 by 5 comma minus 1 by 5 comma 2 by 5. C is the correct answer in ascending order. The average of 1 by 7 and 1 by 6 is, average means a plus b by 2. Here 7 and 6 denominator is not same, so take LCM, so that 1 by 7 plus 1 by 6 whole divided by 2, then 6 plus 7 by 42 divided by 2, then 13 by 84. The sum of two rational number is also rational number. This property is known as closure property. A is the correct answer. Which one of the following denotes commutative property of addition? 3 by 8 plus 5 by 8 equal to 5 by 8 plus 3 by 8. A plus b equal to b plus a. This is the commutative property, so that D is the correct answer. Which one of the following shows closure property on multiplication? The product of minus 5 by 7 into 2 by 5 is also a rational number. This is the closure property of multiplication. Short answer question. Simplify minus 7 by 8 plus 5 by 6. Solution. Given minus 7 by 8 plus 5 by 6. Here denominator is not same, so we find LCM for 8 comma 6, so that divided by 2, 4 into 2 are 8, 3 into 2 are 6, LCM is 2 into 4 into 3 equal to 24. Then denominator becomes 24, 3 8s are 24, so that minus 7 into 3, 4 6 are 24, so 5 into 4 equal to 20, minus 21 plus 20 by 24 is equal to minus 1 by 24, that is minus 7 by 8 plus 5 by 6 is equal to minus 1 by 24. What must be subtracted from minus 5 by 6 to get minus 1 by 6? Solution. Given that minus 5 by 6 minus x, we have to find the number, so that we put x is equal to minus 1 by 6, implies here minus x is equal to minus 1 by 6 plus 5 by 6, implies minus x equal to denominator is same, so we find simply 4 by 6, then x is equal to minus 4 by 6. We simplify this, 2 2s are 4, 3 2s are 6, therefore x is equal to minus 2 by 3. Multiply 15 by 28 with the inverse of minus 5 by 14. Given multiply in inverse of minus 5 by 14 equal to minus 14 by 5. Then 15 by 28 into minus 14 by 5. We simplify this, 3 5s are 15, 2 14s are 28, so that we get minus 3 by 2. Answer is minus 3 by 2. The cost of 1 meter wire is 49 by 3 rupees. What is the cost of 207 by 7 meter of wire? Solution. Given the cost of 1 meter wire is 49 by 3. Cost of 207 by 7 meter is equal to 207 by 7 into 1 meter cost 49 by 3, then 207 into 49 by divided by 7 into 3. 7 7s are 49, 3 cancel பண்றோம், 6 3s are 18, remaining 2, then 7 add 27, 9 3s are 27, then 69 into 7 is equal to 483. Therefore, the cost of 207 by 7 meter is rupees 483. The area of rectangular aluminum sheet is 3 by 4 square meters. The length of the sheet is 51 by 40 meters. Find the breadth of the sheet. Solution. Area of the rectangular sheet is 3 by 4 square meters. Length of the sheet is 51 by 40 meters. Breadth of the sheet is equal to what? We know that area of rectangle is A equal to L into B. That is 3 by 4 is equal to 51 by 40 into B. Therefore B is equal to 3 into 40 by 4 into 51. We simplify that. 17 3s are 51, 10 4s are 40. Therefore B equal to 10 by 17 meters. The multiplicative inverse of 1 and minus 1 are 1 and minus 1. Justify the answer. Solution. We know that product of numbers and inverse of the number is product of number and its inverse is 1. So that obviously inverse of 1 and minus 1 are 1 and minus 1. Hence the proof. 20. If 1 by 8 greater than 1 by 9, then 1 by 8 minus 1 by 9 is positive. Give reason. Given 1 by 8 greater than 1 by 9, then we have to show that 1 by 8 minus 1 by 9 is positive. Take LCM for 8, 9. Denominator is 8, 9. So that LCM is 72. 1 by 8 minus 1 by 9 is equal to 1 by 72. Which is positive. 1 by 72. Second proof. Given 1 by 8 greater than 1 by 9, then we conclude that 1 by 8 is bigger than 1 by 9. So that trivially true that the subtraction greater than number to the smaller number, then we get positive number. So the above mentioned word is true. Write ascending order. Minus 7, 7 by 25, minus 3 by 20, minus 8 by 15, minus 11 by 30. Solution. Here denominators are not same. So we find LCM for 25, 20, 15, 30. 25, 20, 15, 13, 5 5s are 25, 4 5s are 20, 3 5s are 15, 6 5s are 30. Divided by 3. Same we 5 4 eduttu, then 1 3s are 3s, 2 3s are 6. Here again 2, 5, 2 2s are 4, 1 1. Therefore LCM is 5 into 3 into 2 into 5 into 2 is equal to 30. Then 300. Now we get the LCM is 300. So minus 7 by 25. 6 25s are 30. So multiply by numerator by 6. Multiply numerator by 15. Multiply numerator by 20. Multiply numerator by 10. Then we get minus 42, minus 45, minus 160, minus 110. Ascending order is minus 160 by 300, minus 110 by 30, 300, minus 45 by 300, minus 42 by 300. That is minus 8 by 15, minus 11 by 30, minus 3 by 20, minus 7 by 25. Find 4 rational numbers between 4 by 7 and 1 by 7. Solution. We just draw your number line. Origin is 0. Then we divided these to 7 parts. 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7, 5 by 7. Here 1 by 7, 2 by 7, 3 by 7, 4 by 7. Then hence 4 by 7 minus 4 by 7 and 1 by 7 rational numbers are here 2, there. Minus 3 by 7, minus 2 by 7, minus 1 by 7, comma 0. Find 4 rational numbers between 2 by 9 and 70 by 90 by making same denominator. Given numbers are 2 by 9, comma 70 by 90. That is 2 by 9 and 7 by 9. The same process. Draw a number line 0 to 1 divided in parts of 9 parts. 1 by 9, 2 by 9, 3 by 9, 4 by 9. Then 4 rational numbers between 2 by 9 and 70 by 90 equal to 3 by 9, comma 4 by 9, comma 5 by 9, comma 6 by 9. Find 6 rational numbers between minus 2 by 3 and minus 1 by 5 by using LCM method. Given two numbers are minus 2 by 3, comma minus 1 by 5. LCM of 3, comma 5 is 3 into 5 equal to 15. So that minus 2 by 3, comma minus 1 by 5 equal to minus 10 by 15, comma minus 3 by 15. So minus 10 by 15, decreasing the number, minus 9 by 15, 8 by 15, minus 7 by 15, minus 6 by 15, minus 5 by 15, minus 4 by 15, minus 3 by 15. Hence 6 numbers are okay. Then subtraction between any two rational numbers is not commutative. Explain. Solution. Let A equal to A by B and B equal to C by D. We know that we have to prove A minus B is not equal to B minus A. That is, A by B minus C by D is not equal to C by D minus A by B. Now we take LHS part, left hand side part, A by B minus C by D is equal to cross multiplication AD minus BC by BD. RHS part, C by D minus A by B, BC minus AD by BD. Obviously, AD minus BC is not equal to BC minus AD. Hence, subtraction between any two rational numbers are not commutative. Prove that the multiplication of any two rational numbers satisfy commutative property. Solution. Let A equal to A by B and B equal to C by D. We have to show that AB equal to BA. LHS part, A by B into C by D equal to AC by BD. Now we write AC is equal to CA BD, which is equal to BA is equal to RHS. LHS equal to RHS. Hence, multiplication of any two rational numbers satisfy commutative property. Worksheet 2. The next two numbers in the number pattern 1, 4, 9, 16 and so on are 25, 36. Which of the following cannot be a perfect square? 841, 529, 198, 729. 198 is not be a perfect square. The smallest number by which 768 must be multiplied to get the perfect square number. 3. The greatest number of 3 digit that is a perfect square. 961. 676 plants are to be planted in the garden in such a way that each row contains many plants as the number of rows. The number of rows and number of plants to each row. 26. A number ending 2, 3, 7 and 8 is never be a perfect square. There are 10 perfect squares from 1 to 100. The cube root of an odd number is always an odd number. Say true or false. The square of every natural number is always greater than the number of itself. False. Except -1 is true. The product of two perfect square is a perfect square. True. Match the following. cube root of 9621, square of root 8, cube root of 64. 13 into 13 can be written as square root of 576. Cube root of 9621 equal to 21. Square of root 8. Cube root of 64 is equal to 4. 13 into 13 can be written as 13 square. Square root of 576 is equal to 24. So A is the correct answer. The area of the square is 256 centimeter square. What is its side? Given area of square, that is A square equal to 256 centimeter, then A equal to root of 256, that is A equal to 16 into 16, A equal to 16. Therefore side of the square is 16. Find the square root of 1369 by using long division method. 1369, 3 3s are 9. 13 subtract 9, we get 4. 69, 2 3s are 6, 7 7 are 49, 7 6 are 42, and then 4 equal to 469, then get 0. Therefore square root of 1369 equal to 37. Verify 300 is a perfect square or not. 300 divided by 2, 150, divided by 2, 75, divided by 5, 15, divided by 5, 3. So we write 300 equal to 2 into 2, 5 into 5 into 3. So 300 is not a square because 3 is alone. Find the square root of 5476 by using prime factorization method. 5476 divided by 2, 2738, divided by 2, 1369. Simply we memorize this line. 37 into 37 equal to 1369. Therefore square root of 5476 equal to 2 into 37 into 37, then 2 into 37 equal to 74. Find the cube root of 2197 using prime factorization method. 2197 divided by 13, 169 divided by 13, 13. Cube root of 2197 equal to 13. The value of cube root of 1000 is 4 into cube root of 1000 is 40. The product of 6 power 0 minus 7 power 0 into 6 power 0 plus 7 power 0 is 0. Anything power 0 is a minus b into a plus b equal to a square minus b square. Using this formula, 6 power 0 1 minus 7 power 0 1 into 6 power 0 1 plus 7 power 0 1. 1 minus 1 equal to 0. Anything multiply by 0 we get 0. The expansion of a cube is a into a into a. A perfect cube does not end with 2 zeros. A sugar factory has annual sales of 2,545,000,000 kilograms of sugar. Express this weight in scientific notation. 2.545 into 10 to the power of 9 kg. Say true or false. The cube of a number is that number rise to the power of 3. True. In the prime factorization of any number, each factor appears 3 times, then the number is a perfect square. False. Cube. X power m into x power n equal to x power p, comma, p is the product of m and n. True. The standard form of 0.00157 into 10 to the power of minus 8 is 157 into 10 to the power of 3. The value of cube root of 0.000343 is 0.07. The sum of cube root of 125 power 0 plus 5 square is equal to 26. Anything power 0, 1, 5 square equal to 25, then 25 plus 1 equal to 26. The standard form of 7.54 into 10 to the power of minus 3 is 754 into 10 to the power of minus 5. Find the least number by which 72 should be multiplied so that it becomes perfect cube. 72 divided by 2, 36 divided by 2, 18 divided by 2, 9 divided by 3, 9 divided by 3, 9. Cube root of 72 is equal to cube root of 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 3 into 1. Here we multiply by 3 to 72, then 72 become a perfect square. Thank you. Next video we see other worksheet. Thank you.